Ako po si Mayor Dr. Jeremy Aherico Rosario, a second-termer mayor of this pilgrimage town, and I've served as a board member for 4 terms. So matagal po ako sa province. And it is never a coincidence that the surname of the mayor now is Rosario. And and again, being part of the celebration and planning of our centennial celebration is not just a great privilege on our part. We're here, we're excited, and we're passionate to be part of this prestigious and historical event. And Manawag, sa review, got its name from the word Mantawag. No? As we can see from the overview earlier, no, it was through a farmer that Our Lady, no, told that a church will be built in this area. Ako po ay laking Mama Mary. No, we were once part of the Tiplis of Manawag, and in fact, memorable because we have been part of that time during Father Adalide's time na meron pong konting nangyari. But again, me also as a doctor by profession, kaya we've been regularly meeting and of course setting the tone all for the preparation of the centennial celebration. And well, ang Manawag po, no, we are now dubbed as the gateway, not just for Pangasinan, but for the whole Region 1. So we had a survey on more or less how many people are come to Manawag in a year time, and we were surprised that it's close to 8 million people come to Manawag every year, and in a weekly basis, based on our own survey, more or less it reaches 58 to 60,000 a week. So ganun po siya karami. That's why we are somehow adaptive to the nature of many people. Iba po ang populasyon po ng aming bayan during daytime at ibang-iba po during nighttime. And I'm surprised with all my created task force for doing their job well. Palakpakan nga po natin. No? They're really, kaya nga ramdam po natin. I really feel the passion on each and every one of them. Ang usapan po, no, it is our humble belief that outside the portals of the Basilica is the responsibility of the local government unit. But we cannot do this alone. With due respect, of course, we get the support of the provincial government of Pangasinan, headed by Governor Ramon Monmon Gico III, and of course our Congresswoman Manay Gina de Venecia. Not to mention also the support coming from the Department of Tourism, guiding us out as we prepare all these needed areas that needs to be addressed to before April 22. OCD, we're privileged that OCD, or the Office of the Civil Defense National Office, will be helping us out too. No? Full support po sila. In fact, most of our needed things, even food provisions, will be provided by OCD. And even Philippine Red Cross, no, National Office, has also given their full support dito po sa ating coronation. In fact, sila magbibigay ng isang air-conditioned tent to be used as the mother health stations. Yung na-mention po kanina, no, the number 11 of the mother health stations, which will be put up in front of the municipal hall. So we have conservatively projected the arrivals of visitors and pilgrims to 1.2 million. But this can balloon to 2 million. Kaya nga po, if that's the number of people coming to Manawag that day, siyempre ang challenge will be traffic, parking, security, and of course, yung ating pong waste management and health. Kaya nga, we continually meet. In fact, we meet weekly. And we, about 2 weeks ago, we had the opportunity to join us, no less the Provincial Director of PNP. No, siya rin po ang isang kasama natin for the preparation of the security aspect of all the preparations for the Centennial. And I believe it's close to 400 security men, no, will be fielded around Manaoag to ensure that our visitors and pilgrims will be safe on their stay in Manaoag. So it's less than 3 weeks now before that big day, and in fact, sabi ko nga, we're all excited, and we thank the Father Liklik and the rest of our Dominican fathers. We cordially communicate at we really have collaborative meetings several times in line, not just with this preparation but every time na kailangan po, as we sabi ko nga, Manaoag will not be Manaoag without the church, without of course Our Lady of Manaoag. Kaya nga, it's really an honor and a blessing that we are hosting, of course, Our Lady of Manaoag here in our humble town. So maraming pong salamat, and looking forward to much more. No, we need to patch up everything na kailangan po, like they made mention on the parking. No, ang malaki pong nakita namin, Father Liklik, na area for parking that can accommodate around 1,000 vehicle will be at the back of Central School. It is now being managed na by the heavy equipments of the province. Maglalagay po ng mga, hindi nabanggit kanina, yung mga portalets na ilalagay natin sa strategic areas, at para po dyan, especially dyan, dahil 1,000 po ang kakasya. So what will happen there, this is the nearest parking area. So from the parking area, our guests and visitors will be walking, no, traversing the Manaoag Central School and eventually Gate 5. Kaya nga bilis po, no. The others, it was not also mentioned earlier, but as to the parking area, we will try to fill up all the much nearer parking areas to include the private parking areas before we move further doon po sa mga available parking areas. Thanks to St. Camillus for unselfishly offering their area as alternative parking area. Santa Lucia also, no, offered their area. No, marami po, no. Ito po maganda, no, it's somewhat a bayanihan spirit ng mga taga Manaoag, and even not from Manaoag, to really find time to give their lending hand and help dito po sa preparations. So, ang pinakamalaking blessing so far is yung OCD, the Office of Civil Defense, to be here in full force, so the national office, national headquarters. Kaya nga ang laki pong breather sa amin yon, especially in the aspect of course, the accommodation of all these responders. So all in all, sa mga responders po na mga nabanggit kanina, we are seeing around 900 responders, no, from different aspect, no. Pati ho yung Menro and aming waste management, no? Kasi ako po yung isang leader din na talagang pag nakita ko, pinapagawa na po namin kaagad. So we will see to it and ensure not just the safety, not just the convenience, but even the cleanliness of the area before, during, and after the coronation. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.